Show me your next pack pull. I'll go first. All right, guys. This is the last pack of this booster box. Tyranitar. Let's bring it home. The Tyranitar pack. Alternate artwork incoming. Fingers crossed. Hopefully I can not ruin the surprise. There you go. There's the code card. Didn't want to hide it. Or wanted to hide it. Hopefully we get a good one. Drum roll, please. Okay, all right, and Marowak. Whack, whack. Well, that was the last pack of that booster box. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's see what we're going to be doing tomorrow.